To view your Blink camera on a Roku TV, follow these steps. Ensure your Blink camera is properly set up and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Log in to the Blink app on your mobile device and follow the in-app instructions to add your camera. This may require scanning the QR code on your camera or selecting your Wi-Fi network and entering your password. Install the IP Camera View app on your Roku TV by going into the Roku TV home screen and selecting Search. Use the on-screen keyboard to search for IP Camera View and select it from the search results. Click on Add Channel to install the app. Log into your Blink account on a web browser and go to Camera Settings. Enter the camera's IP address in the Camera View app. The app will automatically connect to your Blink camera. And display the live footage of your TV screen.